conceptual perspective. Things people talk about a desire to be successful. All of the elements.
Hello everybody, Dr. Rick Wallace here dropping in on you. I hope that everybody has had a good week, closing out strong, all things considered. There's so much that's been going on now. I've been trying to keep you updated with some of the things that are going on, like the case with Ahmaud Arbery, the case with Breonna Taylor, the case with George Floyd, as well as the case with Joshua Johnson down here in Houston. And those are just scratching the surfaces. Since then, there have been a case, I believe, in Mississippi with a black police officer choking a young kid. Another case where a black female in Florida was killed by a police officer. And that's just on the pro-police brutality side. There's so much else going on socioeconomically. The COVID virus and all of the different plays and angles and agendas connected to that. And we're doing the best we can to keep you updated via the Odyssey Project website, via the YouTube channel, via our Facebook pages. There are multiple pages we operate on Facebook. Black Men Lead, the Odyssey Project, 100 Men of Purpose. All of those sites we own and we operate, and we push out content through those sites consistently, day by day, to inform, to educate, and hopefully empower the Black collective, which leads me to why I'm here. Some of you I see that come on a daily basis whenever I go live, or that comment on some of the videos I record and upload, have been following me from day one when we had the other channel that was blown. Some of you have been following me for quite a while. Those who have followed me know the work that I've put in, the Black Men Lead Rite of Passage program, working with my wife, Marion, with the Restoring Ghetto's Forgotten Daughters, dealing with our young black sisters, young black babies who have suffered some of the most atrocious acts of destruction and the snatching of innocence through childhood sexual abuse, molestation, incest, domestic abuse, domestic violence, and so much more. The work we're doing with the inner city reconstruction and empowerment program, dealing with black families to help restore the black families. The thousands upon thousands upon thousands of hours in research I've done over the What we're here now for, real simple, is we need your support. I cannot stress that enough. We talk about it often. I often point you to the description box where you can support the work we do. I'm asking you now to support the work we do at the Odyssey Project. Take your time, click. We have a goal that we're trying to hit over the next week, which is $10,000. It would not scratch the surface of what we have in expenses and the work we do, but it would definitely help us mitigate some of the expenses and work towards some things. I'm also right now deep into some research and study on the next phase of what I have is multi-generational transmission of trauma. I've talked about collective bias syndrome, dominant collective bias syndrome, and how it's impacting us. I've brought an awareness of epigenetics at a pretty heightened level, and I'm going to be delving more into that. I want to talk in great lengths over the next several years about how we're going to heal from our trauma, because that's immensely important. Also, I want to keep pushing Black Man Lead. I want to keep connecting with other people in other cities to expand the curriculum of Black Man Lead, to take the books and create curriculums and so much. Right now, we have 21 books in publication that's dealing with a number of different issues. Everything from our first book, The Invisible Father, Reversing the Curse of a Fatherless Generation, on down to Miseducation of Black Youth in America, to Born in Captivity, and we are going to have at least one more book coming out this year that's going to be addressing a specific plight in the Black community. I'm going to announce that probably in another 2 or 3 weeks, but we need your support. So I'm asking you right now, click the link in the description box, go to our website, look around, see what we do, find a passion that you can get behind and support us. Or you can simply send a donation to our Cash App account, which is also going to be in the description box. Once again, I thank you for giving me your time. I'll probably be back a little bit later. There are some other things that we definitely need to talk about. On that note, I'm out. You guys have a great day.
From a conceptual perspective, people talk about it as all of the elements.